Mm-hmm. Yes, please. Yes, please. No, thank you. No. Okay, thanks. Oh, hi. It's time for our reach assembly. I was just... So, let's get on with it. Here we are. It's our reach assembly. So the first thing that we do is think about what each of our fingers stands for when we spell out reach. Over to you. Brilliant, well done. It is, for all of those that weren't quite sure, respect, enjoy, achieve, care, and be healthy. And today we're going to be looking at this one. That's right, respect. So, for just a little while on your own, inside your head, I want you to try to think about what we mean when we talk about respect. Have a little bit of time to have a think about it. Okay, what did you come up with? Is there anybody that you can tell what you think respect means? Now, respect can mean lots of different things, all at the same time. And I thought in today's assembly, it might be fun to explore some of those ways of describing respect.
Treat others like you want to be treated. Like you want to be treated. Treat others like you want to be treated. Like you want to be treated.
Oh, this is not what I ordered. Hey you, you brought the wrong dish. Oh, why are you not listening? Hey you brought me the wrong dish. Now don't get me the right dish now. Get me a cup of tea. Oh, that's not very nice. Get me the biscuits as well. Well, you can go.
Our education offering is live now to support every child's lockdown learning. Go online for information.
And turn the noise down.
iPlayer for BBC Bite Size Daily. English, maths, science and more all there.
Coffee, now. Yes, get Clemence on the line, now. I don't care if she's busy, I need to speak to her now. Try again. Hello? Yep. I need you in. We need to sort this out. I don't care if I didn't tell you that I was expecting you to come in today. We've got a problem, you need to come. Do I care that it's your day off? Do you think I'm here because I want to have fun? Get yourself here now. I'm not going to wait for you to say anything else. Where's my coffee? Goodness me. Well, when thinking about respect, I'm not sure that those three people were really showing it in any way at all. Can you think of three things now that those people did that showed respect? I bet you can't. I bet you can think of three things that showed disrespect. They were quite rude, weren't they? They were demanding things without saying please or thank you or showing that they understood the other person. And you know, there's something called a golden rule that comes when you think about respect. And that is a really good starting point, is to think about, well, if you treat others the way that you would like to be treated yourself, then you can't go wrong, really. And almost all religions work on that basis as well. Treat others as you would like to be treated.
Treat others like you want to be treated. Like you want to be treated. Like you want to treat others like you want to be treated. Like you want to be treated. Like you want to be treated.
The baker and the farmer. Once upon a time there was a farmer. He sold a pound of butter to the baker every day. One day the baker decided to weigh the butter to see if he was getting a pound. And he found he was not. This angered him and he took the farmer to court. The judge asked if he was using any measure. The farmer replied, "A more honour, I am primitive. I don't have a proper measure, but I do have a scale." The judge asked, "Then how do you weigh the butter?" The farmer replied, "Your honour, long before the baker started buying butter from me, I've been buying a pound of loaf of bread from him. Every day when the baker brings the bread, I put it on the scale and give him the same weight in butter." So if anyone is to be blamed, it is the baker. So the moral of the story, we get back in life what we give to others. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm really sorry that that's not my food. Would you please let me mine? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Ooh, lovely. Oh, thanks. A coffee would be amazing. Thank you so much. Right. Hi, Clemence. We've got a problem. Yeah, it's not looking good. I was wondering if we could maybe get together and sort it out, please. Great. You are a star. Thanks, everyone. I'm going to try really hard this week to make sure I'm following the golden rule, and I would like you to do the same. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars. See you soon.
Treat others like you want to be treated. Like you want to be treated. Like you want to treat others like you want to be treated. Like you want to be treated. Like you want to be treated.
Treat other people the way you want to feel. Treat other people like your friends. Make them smile and laugh and you'll be smiling too. Just follow that good old golden rule. There's a golden rule out there for us to follow. It's kinda like a road to happiness. If I be nice to you, and you be nice to me, we can live our lives in peace and harmony. Treat other people the way you wanna feel. Treat other people like your friends. Make them smile and laugh and you'll be smiling too. Just follow that good old golden rule. The golden rule will work for you at school. The golden rule works wonders when you're home. It'll keep on working great for you. The golden rule your whole life through, wherever we may roam. Treat other people the way you wanna feel. Treat other people like your friends. Make them smile and laugh and you'll be smiling too. Just follow that good old golden rule. Treat other people the way you wanna feel. Treat other people like your friends. Make them smile and laugh and you'll be smiling too. Just just follow that good old golden rule. Or just follow that good old golden rule. Or just follow that good old golden rule. I'm gonna follow that good old golden rule. I'm gonna follow that. 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 Golden rule.
Bring me a cup of tea, will you? Oh no, that's too polite. Hold on.
Saying, will you bring a
Hold on, not yet, I'm not filming.